It's been almost 18 months since Te Taiurungi Jim Mather took over the helm at Te Wānanga o Aotearoa. When he arrived, he saw an organisation that had a rich history.
But I also saw an organisation that was strongly locked down in consolidation mode. So my message to everybody at that time really was we need to focus on three things: whakatipu, whakahāngai, whakaeke. We're going to build, we're going to adapt, and we're going to succeed as an organisation and a whānau.
The former CEO of Māori Television's first step was to gain a greater understanding of the organisation's strengths, weaknesses, threats, and identify opportunities to develop the wānanga even further.
It was important for me at the outset to talk to as many people as I could within the organisation, and obviously the senior leadership team at that time. And my questions were, what do we need to do better? How can we improve? And how can we make our organisation much more effective for our tauira and their whānau? So ultimately, we gathered as a senior leadership team, we talked through all the issues, and the result of that was Te Raumairanga, which required us to focus on improving the quality of our educational services, becoming a much more innovative organisation, focusing on technology, strengthening leadership, and making sure we communicate much better than we had at that time.
Jim's master plan for Te Wānanga o Aotearoa is to be the greatest Indigenous development organisation on the planet.
So it's my belief that we can actually go much further than simply delivery of tertiary educational services, but actually deliver those services in such a world-class manner that they have a tangible benefit for our people.
He says the success of the wānanga will not be achieved by the work of one, but the work of many.
The passion, the commitment and the drive that our people have to make us successful is what really sets us apart, what has made us a great organisation to this point in our history, and is what's going to carry us forward into the future.
As part of Te Raumairanga, 6 former rohe have been transformed into 3 takiwā. Tāmaki Makaurau and Te Tai Tokero have merged to form Te Ihu, or the prow of the waka. Tainui, Wairiki and Whirikoka have combined to form Te Wainga. Papaiōea and Te Taitonga form Te Kei, or the stern of the waka, as we steer a course towards our strategic destination of whānau transformation through education. Te Anga Nathan, Te Wānanga, o Aotearoa.